I'll show you the best NordVPN coupons. Now, all you have to do is to click on the link on the description below or on the comments down below. And when you click on that link, you'll be redirected into a website such as this, right? Now, when you click on this website, you can click on this button to get the deal. Now, when you click on get the deal, you can see there's a couple of deals that we can get, like complete, plus, and basic. Now, on the 2-year plan, you can see you can save 70% off like this. So it's only 700 yen per month, or whatever it is on your current currency. I think 700 yen per month, it's around $4, so it's pretty cheap, right? But this is a 2-year plan, so you'll have to immediately pay for 2 years. But if you see, there is 1-year plans, but for 1-year plan, you'll get a little bit less on the discount. Like for this one, it'll be 60%, for basic, it'll be 57%, and for complete, it'll be 61%. It'll be even more less for 1-month plans. For 1-month plans, you'll get no discounts at all, so it'll be a better value if you just buy for the 2-year plan, so you can get a save 70% discount and only pay for around $4 or $5 per month.